Hello everyone, I am Shovik Anshamanik and this is my design for statistic. Statistic is an UI design concept whose primary aim is to organize and keep track of data. It is mainly beneficial for small business, hospitals, local nursing homes, schools, etc. So, in our daily to daily life, keeping a track of tasks is a necessity, and be it a large or small business, we have to keep it. But not everyone have the potential to have an organized tracking system. So, this application's purpose is to help out those to have an organized tracking system so that they don't have to keep their updates on a conventional pen paper. Some of the features of the applications include simple and user-friendly interface. It is minimalist design. Organizers have the power to exercise authority. Default templates, like for nurses, they can have a different default template of keeping data of patients. Or for teachers, it will be attendance, taking attendance of students. Such templates would be available here. And chat functions are kept so that any organizational messages can be sent to anyone and everyone without hassle. So this is the prototype of the application. For this prototype, I have chosen to be the teacher. There is a design for student also, but due to less time. So it's education. I'm choosing as a teacher. So I have to search the organization name or scan the QR code, which will be available to the organization itself. Then I will be giving my name, my age, and my specific role in that organization, and then I can use this app. So after using this app for a few days, this will be my default homepage, where here you can see its schedule. You can add more. You can upload the CSV file if it's available. Here is this attendance thing and this chat function where you can chat with anyone. Minimalist design kept accordingly. Thank you and have a nice day.